Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I'm your chef Charisse, and on this channel we help people not take advantage of them. Okay, so look, I know I'm not for everybody. I'll help every single one of y'all out, but the second you turn on me, goodbye. Oh, bye Felicia. Okay, so we're gonna make a vegan lasagna, but kick is we're gonna make it in a crock pot, which I'm sure you know because you clicked on the video and that's in the title. Hi, how are you? It's gonna be so freaking delicious. It's actually like we've made a vegan lasagna on this channel before, and whilst I love that vegan lasagna, girl, I've grown since then. I've grown though. Like, I think this one is so much better, and you can certainly do the same recipe and put it in the oven if you don't want to wait for your crock pot. Totally fine. I'm so excited about this recipe, so let's just jump right in. We've made vegan ricotta on this channel before, but I'm going to do something a little bit different. We are going to start off with our firm block of tofu that we pressed between some paper towels and cast iron pan, you know, books, whatever, however you can squeeze it out. We're just going to break it up a little bit, pop it in there. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. We are also going to add, okay, here's the deal. So we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of basil, and 2 teaspoons of oregano. I know you don't see it because I'm out of oregano, but you should add the oregano. I'm not doing it because I don't have it, and we're just gonna roll with the punches here, folks. Now here's where it gets different. Normally I would add some soaked cashews, but this time I'm going to add an 8-ounce container of vegan cream cheese. The reason I'm doing this is because the last time I made lasagna, whilst it was delicious and I loved it and I still highly recommend, I realized that, like, well, I mean, we all know tofu doesn't melt, but I realized that, like, while the tofu gives a great consistency to the ricotta and makes that, like, crumbly, you know what I'm saying, like ricotta, it doesn't, like, melt into what you're using it for if you're using it in a hot form. So I'm adding the vegan cream cheese so that hopefully when we make the lasagna, it kind of melts into the noodles and the vegetables and everything. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna blitz this up just a little bit. We want to get it mixed together. We're probably gonna have to push down our sides, but we don't want the tofu like creamy. We still want that like gritty, like, you know, texture. Okay, so now we have our crock pot, so we're going to put a little bit of sauce on the bottom, whatever sauce floats your boat. I quite like chunky, like, tomato, onion, and garlic bonanza. All right, then we're going to take our noodly nudes, and you're obviously going to have to break them, like a crock pot's weird shaped comparatively. So, you know, just snap a little bit off, make sure she fits, put the little extra pieces around, you know what I'm saying? And then take some of our vegan ricotta, and we're gonna spread her around. Now here's where you can get creative and put whatever vegetables you want. I'm gonna do a layer of zucchini, a layer of baby spinach. We get all them nutrients, some iron and shit, you know what I'm saying? And then since I have some leftover red onions from our vegan pizza, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. And then we're gonna come in here with our vegan cheese, which y'all know me, I love follow your heart vegan mozzarella. So I like to buy it in the blocks though and shred it myself because I feel like it is better quality that way. And then some more sauce, and repeat. And then make sure you save enough noodles and sauce because the sauce is gonna go all over the top to make sure we cover all the nudes. And make sure you save enough of your mozz to sprinkle on top. Okay, so now we're gonna put our top on, and I'm gonna put our top on. Why you naked? We're gonna put our top on and we're gonna let this go. If you do it on high, about 3 hours. If you do it on low, about 6 to 7 hours. You do you know what I'm saying? Like maybe in the morning before you go to church or some shit. I wouldn't know that I'm atheist. Come at me. You know, can put it in before you go to church on high, or if you're like working, you can put it in the morning, and then when you come home from work, it should be done. So we're gonna let her roll. Okay, so then you want to take the ceramic insert out so it can cool down before you go any further, because you want all those juices to soak up back into the noodles so it's not a big mess bowl of slop, which I mean, you can't wait like me. That's totally fine too, sis. You guys, this came out of a crock pot. Like, let's give her a 365. You know what I'm saying? Like, that came out of a crock pot. What the actual fuck? Okay. Okay, here we go. Let me get, this is a side note. This has nothing to do with anything, but we had these forks growing up, and like, they're my most favorite. Like, you've all seen my silverware that's colorful, and while I love it, there's something about a 4-pronged fork that's thick, like a thick, I don't know, whatever. I've lost my mind. I just love it so much. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys. Oh my God. Oh my God. The vegetables cooked all the way through. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Putting that cream cheese in the ricotta though. And like, if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the Follow Your Heart mozz, like, oh. What? This is a crock pot? What? Oh my God, girl, I'm going in for more. I don't even care. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys. I don't know if I'm going to make lasagna the normal way anymore. How'd that come out of a crock pot? The fuck? Okay. Make this. I don't think anybody would know it was vegan. It's very creamy and cheesy, but lasagna-y, because that's a term I just coined. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below. And if you've come this far, because I forgot to mention it in the intro, please check out my Patreon, because I need your help to keep going. Honestly, like, I could not do any of these without you guys. Like, and I hope that I am providing exclusive VIP awesomeness in my Patreon. So check out those tiers, please. Like, I couldn't do it without you guys. And thank you all so much who supports me. Thank you guys who smash that like button. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for sharing with your friends. Thank you guys for just being you, because I love y'all. So, bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.